In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new client welcome automation in GoHighLevel. We're going to build a clean, reliable workflow that greets every new client as soon as they reach the correct stage in your pipeline. You'll create the workflow from scratch, set a precise trigger, send a warm email, follow up with a concise text, tag the contact for easy tracking, and then publish it so it runs on its own. Start by heading to Automations and opening the Workflows area. Choose Create Workflow, then pick Start from Scratch. Give your workflow a clear name so your team recognizes it later, for example, Client Welcome Automation. Descriptive names make it much easier to maintain your automations as they grow. Next, add a new trigger. Select Pipeline Stage Changed. This trigger listens for movement in your pipeline and only fires when a contact lands in the stage you define. Add filters so it's targeted. First, choose In Pipeline and select the pipeline you use for onboarding new clients. For many, that might be something like PI Case Lifecycle, but select the pipeline that matches your own process. Add another filter for Pipeline Stage, then choose New Lead. This ensures the workflow only runs when a contact enters that specific stage. Save the trigger to lock it in. Now, add your first action and choose Send Email. Enter a subject line that's short, friendly, and on brand, like Welcome to our firm. In the message area, write a clear, helpful welcome note. Introduce your team briefly, set expectations for what happens next, and share any essential links. Personalize where possible using merge fields, such as the contact's first name, to boost engagement. Keep the formatting simple and make your main call to action easy to spot. When you're happy with it, save the action. Add another action and select Send SMS. Type a concise conversational text that confirms the email and highlights the next step. Keep it brief and useful, and make sure it sounds like a real person from your company. Save the action. Add one more action to keep your records organized. Choose Add Contact Tag and enter a tag like New Lead. Tags make reporting, segmenting, and future automations much easier. Save the action. With everything in place, publish the workflow. Publishing activates it so it automatically runs whenever a contact moves into the chosen pipeline stage. That's it. Your new client welcome automation is live. You can always return to refine wording, adjust the stage or pipeline, and update tags as your process evolves.